Hey guys, this is Will from cryptoformbet.com, and today guys I have another great review for you guys. Today I'll be looking at the cryptocurrency IOTA against the US dollar and the Bitcoin. As you guys can see here, IOTA has been in a pretty much rough week, guys. IOTA's weekly high was just under $1. However, this week you can see that price has fallen way over 30%, all to its weekly low of just above 0.66 against the US dollar. And we can see here that prices, we can see a short-term pullback right now as prices just under 0.75 against the US dollar. And there's a few things I'd like to point out here is the fact that potentially we could see another triangle pattern occurring similar to this. Price has basically fallen quite a bit, and we could basically see a buyers jumping back in, potentially pushing price above 0.75, maybe to 0.85. But nevertheless, the main thing I like to point out here is the fact that there is this massive room here that we could see IOTA fall. It already happened once here. In fact, I predicted that this triangle pattern would continue with another bullish move upwards. However, you guys can see here, we just see a massive fall in IOTA. And I think this same structure could be playing, although we could see IOTA continue to move upwards. Nevertheless, in the months coming ahead until basically the start of 2018, there is a massive room here in which we could see IOTA fall all the way back down, but basically underneath 0.45, but more realistically underneath 0.55 against the US dollar. But nevertheless, if you look IOTA as a whole, we pretty much see that it still remains in what I would call a triangle pattern. And as price basically continues, as time goes on, price will basically bounce between these key resistance and key support, and narrowing the price down until we basically move to a point where price has to come up with a new direction or a new structure. And of course, it's way too early to tell the direction of the price. But nevertheless, guys, this massive room here does concern me. And basically, you guys should be cautious if you are looking to buying some IOTA right now, as this fall here could actually may look like a good buy, but in reality, we could see IOTA falling back down to 0.5 against the US dollar. Now looking at IOTA against the Bitcoin, we see that IOTA is in not exactly a triangle pattern, but in a declining channel, as you guys can see here. And of course, we see this decline occurring right here, same as the US dollar. And of course, as price continues to fall, if we do see IOTA here against the US dollar basically breaking the support line, what we will see here is that IOTA will continue to fall, potentially to this key support here. Nevertheless, it's also important to point out the fact that Bitcoin is still a relatively hot crypto right now in the market. And of course, with Bitcoin continuing to rise, we could see the pressure where IOTA against the Bitcoin, we could see IOTA continue to fall against the Bitcoin. And overall, guys, I just want to point out the fact that we have to be quite cautious, or I want to warn those investors and traders looking at IOTA to be relatively cautious in buying it. For those of you guys who are interested in more analysis video regarding cryptocurrency trading or cryptocurrency mining, please visit cryptoformbet.com. Good luck, traders, and have a nice day.